Creatively Miss Me, and today I'm participating in a challenge. This challenge is entitled The Blue and White Tablescape of 2018 and is hosted by Miss V at Miss V, Cynthia at She's So Blessed, and Alberta at Mysterious Alberta. And the rules are: create a tablescape that includes blue and white, for example, a centerpiece, tablecloth, etc. Rule 2, include all three host channel links in your description box. Rule 3, use hashtag blue and white tablescape. Number 4, upload everything on Saturday at October 6, 2018. 5, was shop your home for thrift store and Goodwill and etc. And number 6, inspire each other and have fun. Here's the final results. Each setting is the same, guys. The blue placemat came from Walmart. As you know, the charger is from Pure One. The blue plate is from Goodwill. The white plate, Goodwill. They're the set. And then the plate I found at Goodwill a long time ago, and I thought it was really beautiful. I want to show you the price. I got 4 of them, and they were $4.99 for the 4 set. Each one has a blue wine glass from the Dollar Tree. Each one has a blue napkin from eBay, and the napkin ring is from Hobby Lobby. Now, as for the centerpiece, I have the centerpiece on a white tray. I found this tray a long time ago at Goodwill. I have the blue glass candlestick holders. They were purchased at a thrift store a long time ago. And then these are the candle holders, the larger ones with the white roses in them. Those were a Goodwill haul. So guys, here is my blue and white tablescape. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And please leave a comment, because I love to read your comments, and I will respond as soon as possible. And also guys, follow me on my social media accounts. And if you're not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, please click that subscribe button down below and become a part of the family. And click that bell next to it. It's a notification bell. It will let you know every time I upload a video. And again, guys, this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching, and you guys be blessed.